live at the command center of the JW Solar USA. Folks, this is what I'm going to be doing. I have some projects I'm going to be working on in this garage today, and I will show you what I'm going to be doing. But before doing so, I have is -4 degrees right now, and this is what we're going to do. So let me just clear the ice on the tracks where my vehicle drives in here, and see some ice build up. Make sure it is out so the garage door won't stuck as it comes down. Okay, you gotta do this when you live in a cold state, because you're gonna be having problem with your garage door. Well, folks, this is what it is. Make sure where the door is going to be landing right here, it has a clear path, because when you drive in with your car, the water sits there and freezes right away. So stay tuned for what I'm going to show you here quick. So here I have an oil-filled radiator heater, which is rated from, let me show you, from 600, 900, and 1500 watts radiator heater. See, you can add any more oil into this thing, and this is meant for a large room. Is a PELONIS. It's called PELONIS, PELONIS. It has a safety feature, auto shut off when it overheats. Guys, I'm trying to catch my breath because the door opened for a while. It's kind of cold in here, and I'm trying to do some work. I want to make sure that this garage is really heated, and these are all the features on it, and you can see. So if you guys saw the other one, we had like a comfort something with the Grimeister Dave. The one we bought is different, and these are all the warnings and features and whatever. So this thing can't overheat, and after that it's just gonna shut off, automatic shut off. It has a 3 heating settings, adjustable thermostat, and tipped over protection in case it falls or it tipped over and fall. It has a protection so nothing can happen to it. So because of that feature, I decided to purchase this as well, because it's more safety. When it comes to my thing I do, it's more of safety is my greatest concern. So I just want to make sure that even if I'm not home, something wrong with it, or maybe I don't have a dog or cat or whatever, but something happened, it tipped over, then it's gonna be fine. But you know how people normally blame their dogs or the cat. They jump on things, whatever. That's how things are broken or falling or start on fire or whatever. So I don't have none of those. I don't have no pets. So too much responsibility, and good for you guys that have them. They are great, very companion. You know, that companionship, as people normally say. I understand that. But I don't just able to do that. Well, this is what it is, and guys, I'm gonna be using this to heat the garage. Stay tuned for the next video coming up. This is how you heat your garage, get your garage door heated, or your garage. All right guys, this is already out from the box, and I'm gonna fix this thing up, and just to put the wheels underneath it so I can able to coast it from end to end, or what direction. And you guys can see it has a thermostat here which came in already set to max. These are the settings for the heat. You can turn 1, 2, and 3. I don't like this knob that well, but hey, it is what it is. And I picked this one up at Menards, a local hardware store. Right now they have a rebate, and this was $64, and I end up getting it for $40. So I think it's a 10% going on. So it has a fins here, is a oil fuel radiator. So guys, so you don't have to think about fueling anything. So they said not to cover these vents here. So let's test it out. They put the wheels and we're gonna see how it works. Take care. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Bye for now. Stay tuned for the project that is coming up soon here at the command center in Minnesota. -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright guys, this is what came with the package here, the wheels, and seats to set up so you can able to coast it back and forth. And it has like wing nuts here. You can see wing nuts, and it's gonna be attached here on the base. It's simple setup. It's not hard. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to do this. Set them right there. Stick your wing nuts right there on both sides here. I'll show you. Stay tuned. There they are. 4 wing nuts. Take one, put it right here, and go about your business. Sorry, my hands are so cold that I can barely feel them. Stay tuned. We already have one in, so we're gonna put the other wheels there. So far so good. It's already installed. These are the 2 pair of wheels here, and let's set it on the floor. Guys, this is the finished product right here, and this is how it hits your garage using PELONIS, PELONIS, P-E-L-O-N-I-S, PELONIS. I don't know what kind of name is that. PELONIS oil fuel radiator heater right here at JW Solar USA. This is how you heat your garage at -4 degrees Fahrenheit, live in Minnesota. This is how we do it here. So guys, it's already installed. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just heat it up. You can see the transition really well. Move around, you know, so it's swivel. Let's plug it in and see how it's gonna work. Stay tuned. Before doing so, I have this little guy here who has been doing, it's a 1500 watts. It's a really, you know, I don't like this because they tend to be red and it's kind of dangerous. And these are the specs for it. You guys can see it's made in China thing. I know a lot of stuff comes from there. So 12.5 amps, 1500 watts for this little guy. And it's nothing to do. It's trying. It's gonna be running almost all for a long time, making power, making heat. But this guy will make a difference because it's bigger. It's oil, and look at the size of it. So I think we can make a difference here in the garage. Stay tuned. All right, guys. This is what I don't like about when you drive in the garage, when you park your car in the garage in winter time with all the mess. You can see the water. So I'm trying to dry up this place, and let's go and do it now. Initial start on this thing, and let's power this thing on and see. Let's turn the power. Okay, now it's on. I can see the light illuminate, and you can, if I try to close this, yeah, you see it. So put it on high. Thermostat is already here. Pretty soon it's gonna start doing its job. So we come back and check it. Stay tuned for more updates. Like and subscribe. Bye.